In this course, we will be using the Canvas equation editor to enter some of our answers for the online exams. This short 4-question quiz will help you learn how to use the Canvas equation editor. Watching this video first will show you the steps that you need to use the Canvas equation editor properly. Question 1 says, use the equation editor to type the fraction 1/3 in the answer box below. I'm going to place my cursor in the answer box, and then to activate the equation editor, I'm going to hover over this symbol that has a square root sign with an X underneath it, and you'll notice it tells me that I'm going to insert a math equation. I'm going to click on that icon, and I'm brought to the Canvas equation editor. I want to enter the fraction 1/3. So up here, I'm in the basic menu, and I want this fraction where the numerator is n and the denominator is m. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see I now have a fraction template in my answer box. My cursor's in the numerator, so I'm going to type 1. Now I can use the down arrow on my keypad, or I can click in the denominator spot to enter the 3. I'm going to click on Insert Equation, and now I've entered the fraction 1/3. Question 2. Use the equation editor to enter the expression 3 squared minus the quantity 5 minus 2 times 4 squared. Again, I am going to insert the math equation, and this time I have several operations that I'm going to be entering. So it's 3 squared minus 5 minus the quantity of 5 minus 2 times 4 squared. So I'm going to start with my 3 squared. So I just typed the number 3. Now to get the squared, I need what's called a superscript. We see that right here, SUP. Notice when I press that, my cursor moves into the exponent spot and I can type the 2. I can use the right arrow on my keyboard to return to the normal line of text, or I can just click after the exponent. Now I need a minus sign, and now I need a parenthesis. On my keyboard, I noticed that the number 9 key also has an open parenthesis. So I'm going to press Shift and the number 9, and that will open the parentheses for me. Now I have to type 5 minus 2 times 4. My operators are over here. Here is the multiplication symbol for the 4. Then I'm going to click outside the parentheses and use the superscript button again for the exponent of 2. Then I'm going to click on Insert Equation, and I'm just going to check and verify that my expressions match. Question 3, type in the mixed number 4 5/6. So again, I'm going to insert math equation. I'm going to type the number 4, then I need my fraction icon to type the fraction part of the mixed number 5/6. Question 4. Enter the inequality 1/3 is less than 4/5 in the answer box below. I'm going to insert my math equation. I'm going to start by typing the fraction 1/3. Now I need the less than symbol. There's 2 places I can find it. I can click on this relationships tab where I see my less than and greater than symbols. You also have the less than and greater than symbols on your keyboard. They're in between the M button and the question mark button. Now I need to go back to the basic menu to type the fraction 4/5, insert equation, and again, just check and verify that my inequality symbols match. This has given you a basic overview of the Canvas equation editor. You will be using this when you take the online exams.